Hello friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss how to make a vertical line in Google Docs. Okay, we'll basically see here four approaches now how we can draw a vertical line in Google Docs. Let's start with that. Let's navigate to the Google document here. So I have logged into docs.google.com. Let's create a blank document. Click on the blank. Now the next thing is, so we are discussing here the fast approach, that is how we can draw a line, a vertical line using the shapes option. Okay, for that what we can do is you can click here on the insert option, click on the drawing, then click on the plus new button. Okay, on the drawing pop-up, what you can do is click on the select line drop down. If you can able to see here, click on that. You can draw like multiple structure here. You can make a line, you can make an arrow, a elbow connector, like it's up to you based on your requirement. Let's make a vertical line here. So you have to click on that and drag like this. Okay, say you want to do a arrow also, you can click here. Okay, you can drag it. These things no need, let's delete it. If you want, you can make little straight. So okay, if you want, and then you can also format it. You can click here the pixel, the width. If you want to increase, select that particular line, click on the pixel. Okay, suppose I want to make it 2 pixel or 4 pixel. This one I want to make it 2 pixel. Okay, then if you want, you can also change the color of the line. Okay, click here on the color option, make it red, and then select this arrow. You can make it blue. Okay, it's up to you based on your requirement, you can do that. Okay, the one more thing is you can also make it as a line dash. If you can able to see here, click on this, you can able to see that you can make it multiple structure, like in the dashed line, you can tell. Okay, based on your requirement, you can select it. If you click here, it will make a dash line, if you can able to see. Okay, if I'll click here and again I'll change it to dot, see, it will make like this. Okay, so this is how you can make the shape of option. Use the shape option to draw a vertical line. Okay, now what you have to do is click on the save and close button here. Click on that, so it will add in your Google Docs, I mean Google document. Okay, so now the next approach we will see. So the next approach is adding the vertical line in between the text. Okay, so if you have multiple text here, okay, so you can make the text as a column and you can add the line in between them. If you have some requirement, you can do in that way. So let's do that. Let's add some dummy text here. Let me copy some text. So I have copied some dummy text. Let me add those. Okay, let me add those. So we'll see how we can make this text as column and we can add it, add the vertical line in between them. Okay, so click on this format, click on the column option. You can able to see here like multiple format. You can make the column, like you can make it as 2 column or 3 column, this text. Okay, you can do in that way, or else you can click on the more option and then number of columns, how many columns you want to make it. I will make it 2. Okay, width you can make 1 or 2, like it's up to you. Let's make it 0.8 and make sure to check this checkbox. Okay, line between columns, apply. So you can able to see we have a line here in between. Okay, can able to see it here. We have added a line. Okay, so this is the second approach to add a vertical line. Okay, now see the next. Now let's discuss on the next approach. So the next approach is using the border and shading option. How we can draw a vertical line. We'll see that. So click on the particular paragraph or next to the text where you want to add the vertical line. Click there and then just click on the format option and this is click on the paragraph styles. Okay, now you can able to see borders and shading option is there. Click on that and let's do a right border. Okay, and then you have to choose the border width. So let's make it 1.5. Border dash you can choose how it will be. It will be a dotted or a dash line. So how you want you can do based on your requirement. Okay, so you can do the background color as well if you want. Then padding also you can add and then click on the apply. If you can able to see, it's added a vertical line over here. Okay, so this was the third approach. Okay, now we'll see the fourth one. How like the fourth approach is using the keyboard shortcut. Okay, so you can able to see a key. Okay, next to, I mean down to your backspace button in your keyboard. You can click on that. So put a cursor here. Okay, say I'll put it at the end. Okay, now you like hold the shift bar and click on that. It will add a vertical line for you. You can able to see. Okay, so this is the fourth approach. Okay, well, we have seen here how to add vertical lines with multiple approaches. We have discussed one by one. Hope you like the video. Okay, if you like the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and you will get lot of videos on Google Docs functionality. It is all the free videos. And thanks a lot again and have a nice day. Bye bye.